So hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video for how to do shading and blending. So I'm gonna use simply a 4H pencil and 6H pencil of Notras and a 8B pencil of Stedler, which is very dark, and also I am using super dark pencil of Tom's. So let's start. First I'm gonna erase all these grids. Here we go. So I'm going with the eyes first. I'm cropping this photo so that I can get a clear zoom picture. So let's make eyes first. So I'm using 8B pencil, which is very dark. I'm using this cotton bud for blending. So I'm just applying it lightly on the eyebrows. I'm giving a bit highlight portion with my tumbler eraser. So I'm just adding a bit blending to my upper line of the eyes and to the lower darkness. So I'm gonna just use tumbler mono again for the highlight. Just give it a go. Okay, now it's perfect. Now I'm gonna use waste pencil of Notras and I'm just adding a bit layer. So to add some more creases, I am using my mechanical pencil and a pepper stones to blend it. And now I am using 8B pencil to darken the creases. You can see in the reference photo, there is some creases which are very darker in portion, darker in tone. So and for that darker tone, I am using my 8B pencil and using my cotton bud to blend. You guys can notice for normal shading I'm using my super dark pencil of Tom's, and for the darker portion I'm just applying a little bit pressure with the 8B pencil. So now you can see on the nose there is a highlight per portion, so it shows the reflection of light. So for that I'm just first of all I'm shading it with the super dark pencil, and then I'm just adding some highlights with my tumbler mono eraser so that it looks perfect. For the darker tone, I'm using 8B pencil with very light pressure. So you can see I'm now using 8B pencil to darken those bottom areas and side of the nose. So now for the lips, I'm using my 8B pencil to darken those middle portion of the lips, and then after I'm giving some of the tone, some of the very light tone with the same pencil to the bottom lips and upper lips, and blending it with the paper stumps. And also I'm using a tumbler mono eraser for giving some highlight, so that those highlighted areas I'm using my tumbler mono. Now next I'm moving to the chin. For the texture of the chin, you can see there are large number of pores, small tiny pores. So for that I'm just layering out the first layer with my super dark pencil. You can use 4B pencil instead of that, and then after I'm adding another layer with my 8B pencil where there are darker tones, and using my tumbler mono to make some pores, and again I'm using cotton bud or blending stump to cover that pores, and it will give you that kind of texture, so you can use it. Now for the ears, I'm just outlining with some darker pencil, and I'm using my 8B pencil to create the crease, leaving some of the portion highlighted, and I'm blending it with the paper stumps, and for extra highlighted areas I'm using my tumbler mono eraser. So for the super dark areas, I'm again going with my 8B pencils. So what I would like to suggest here is observe the reference, observe the value, and use your pencils accordingly. Try getting the proper value and also follow the strokes as in the reference. So here for the texture of jacket, I'm using two-sided strokes and leaving some of the middle portion and other portions remain highlighted, and blending it with the paper stumps. I can easily get the texture of that jacket. So it's super easy, you can try this. I'm doing over here is adding some shading as in the reference photo and trying to get the value properly, and I'm darkening some of the lines and leaving the portion around the nose remain highlighted. So I'm just adding only a little of shading around the nose. So guys, what if you don't have 8B pencil or super dark pencil and blending stone and not even Tombow Moon eraser? Hey guys, I'm sharing this to you. I'm just completing 3 months of my art journey and I didn't have any of those materials mentioned above, but the red clip drawing, commonly known as Harry Potter, got around 90k views. So if you haven't watched that video, please click on the iCard button on your top right corner. So guys, if you have interest, you just need to show it with your effort. In further videos, I'll be teaching you how to manage things at home. Certainly I'm not talking about your shoes or clothes, but talking about your art materials. You can make homemade blending stumps, you can make homemade Tombow Moon eraser and lot more art materials. So till then, stay tuned guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and enjoy the remaining videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.